What's up, guys? Welcome back to the Road Bet. Glad you're tuning in. Park and Shine is the video we're going to be doing here today, and hopefully it's a good turnout. You can see the Road Bet Corvette right behind me, all cleaned up and ready to go. So hopefully this video is going to be good. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe, guys, if you do enjoy the content on the channel. And let's go ahead and make the rounds, guys. Let's go check it out. All right. Check it out, guys. Look at the little bulldogs. Hey, girl. Boys, let's check out what we got. Sorry about the music. I'm right by the speaker. It's on my left. But look at that Shelby GT350, guys. Blue, white stripes. That looks clean. And then look at that. Lamborghini. Let's go check it out. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at that. Lime green Lamborghini. I think it's a Huracan.
We have breakfast tacos at Starbucks. Tacos $2 for $4. Spin the wheel, win the prize.
Wow.
Don't forget to go by our vendors. Check them out.
And then look at that. That's pretty nice too. Rare. All right, guys, so we got a nice C8 over here. My buddies, always looking good. Love the gray. Like the wheels too. Red calipers. Red leather seats, interior. So nice. And we got another C51 or Stingray over here, all blued out. Blue accents everywhere. Check it out. Look at that. Wow. Same with the interior. Look at that. That's pretty cool. And then right next to it, we have a really nice C8 Corvette. You can kind of see the exhaust coming through the bottom there. Here's a little shot of the interior of the engine. Carbon fiber everywhere. Looks real nice. And a side shot from this way. And then we'll get a shot over here. Pretty nice. We're gonna make it down the line. Met this guy, he's pretty cool. Black C7 Z06 Mercedes. And then yours truly. Bam, right there. So clean you can eat off of it, guys. Wheels are shiny as hell. Engine bay is so clean. Interior is so clean. Look at that. Just look at that shine. So nasty clean. Nice. All right, so I'm just gonna pan a little bit so you can just see the rear ends of these cars. Look at that. All right, guys, so we got a couple more Corvettes over here. Convertible Grand Sport C6 looks nice. Coupe C6 over here always looks good. I'll kind of show you the engine bay. Pretty nice. And then we'll kind of do a fly over here. Nice. And then we'll pan over. Another little Z51 right over here. That looks pretty cool. I like the blue. Got an AFE air intake on that one. Oh, I like the competition racing seats though in there. The brownish kind of tan. Whoa, guys, what is that? That's a tank on wheels. Guys, Pontiac 87 Fiero Coupe. Look at that, he's got a little sign like that. I need something like that for mine. That is cool. You don't see these too often, especially with this type of body kit on it. But look, it's got like the Lambo doors on it. Let me go to the other side. Guys, check this out. Look at this. Look at this. Look at that. The sun's starting to come out. Oh, another Shelby GT350 coming in, guys. Look at that. Oh, look at that. Nice. C6 Vets showed up, guys. C6 Vets. Let me just show you his engine bay. Looking real nice there. 51 on the side. Look at that. And then our boy over here cleaning up last minute touches. Always loving the blue color wrap on it. Looks so nice. Right next to mine. It looks great. Looks real great there. Oh, we got a little Porsche coming in. Older. Look at that. Oh, Hellcat coming in. Yep. Hellcat 210. Catfish Camaro. Another Porsche. Another Hellcat. Over. That guys, Lamborghini. Man, look at that. Red, I like it. I dig it. Wow. 2 Lamborghinis right there. Oh boys, we got an R8 coming. Look at that, Iron Man's in the house. Look at that, look at it, look at it. Oh guys, highlighter green, twin turbo Mercedes right there. CTSV, look at that red one, look. CTSV boys. C5Z06. Look at that. Man, that's nice. I like the carbon fiber hood on it. All right guys, so he's opened up the hood. You can see the goods. Look at that ECS blower right there.
And then, like, they're all sitting like...
Man, that's nice. Oh guys, that one's leaving. Sounded nice though. Huh? Check out the Euro cars, guys. Right there. And that little bug looking thing. I like the colors. That's cool. We got the slingshot, guys. All right, look at this, guys. Awesome, awesome. Grand Cherokee supercharged. Hellcat, SRT, Dodge Durango. And then another Hellcat. Look at that. Look at it. I'll let y'all pause that if y'all want to read it. There's another shot of the side. All right, guys, we got a couple Raptors going on over here. Boosted Raptor, right there. All right, so we got a couple Mustangs over here, boosted, Whipple. You can see it right on the top of the block. Look at that. And then right next to it, there's that Shelby GT350 we saw. And then another 5.0 S550. But look, it's also got a big, humongous Whipple on it. Look at that. So you know that car is making some good power right there. And then we got another GT350 over here. I love the orange, white stripes. That looks real nice. Let's just get a quick shot. Check it out, guys. We got a couple cool vans here. Hey man, they want a sport with style, that's all right. And then look at the Turbski on this. Look at that. Look at these trucks. I think one of them's a TRX, another one's are they both TRXs? I think they're both TRXs. I don't know much about trucks, guys, but if they both are, that's crazy. Two of them. I see a nice little G8 right there. Guys, check out the dune buggy. There's that Porsche we saw earlier, but look at this dune buggy. That's so cool. Look at that. Look at that. Look at it. And then we got your row of new Porsches, guys. Or did I say Porsches? I'm stupid. Toyota Supras. I saw the old Porsche right there, and then I immediately looked at these and said it. But no, I'm sorry. I mean Porsches. Supras, guys. Supras. New Supras all along that side right there. Guys, so we're still making the rounds. Look at this GT302 Mustang on the side. And then right next to it, classic. It's a Charger on it. And then we got a Hell Kizzies over here, but I will get to y'all in just a second. Guys, I've got to get the snake. Look at this. I believe it's a 05 to 09 Shelby GT500. Yellow calipers, blue paint job. I mean, that's pretty cool. That caught my attention there. That looks nice. Look, you see the Shelby lettering right on there. Shelby lettering on there. And then there's a little shot of the interior like that. That's nice. That's pretty clean. I like that. That's cool. All right, so we got Hellcat, wide body, red eye. Love the silver, like the wheels. That's pretty cool. Oh, guys, I'm catching the Ferrari. It's trying to park, I guess, but look, that's right there. Couple Camaros, Pontiac Trans Am. Look at that truck, guys. Oh my goodness. Oh my goodness. Look how clean the interior looks. That is nice. That is nice. Dooley. Here's another pan shot over here. Right over there, we got a little Maserati. Another Shelby GT350. All right, guys, I found the Mopar section. Look at all these Challengers. There's Mopar Girl, Hell Kitten 210. Ride's looking real good, always. Couple more. Man, so many Hellcats. Are we in a dealership right now? No, I'm just playing. And Chrysler 300. There's my two buddies right here. Whip's looking real nice and clean. Yeah. You coming in, bruh? You over there trying to escape us? It's like a tan coyote. Yeah. All right, guys, I'm getting a close-up shot of the R8. Looks real nice. It's got the V10 in it. Sick. You can see the engine. I see you too, man. Oh, we got a little Evo, guys. A little Evo. That's pretty nice. But then look right next to it. Oh my gosh, guys. Look at that Lamborghini in there. Red, even better. Making it real clean like. That's so nice. That's all right, we'll let them clean it up, but I'm still getting the shot because that is insane. And then look right next to it, Supra. Oh, we got another Hellcat Charger, orange, black stripes. I like that. It sounds real good. All right, guys, a bunch of Trans Ams over here, older. And then if I pan a little bit, a couple more. And then the Catfish Camaros right over here. SS. Kind of a flat black looking one right there. And look at the big turbo on this one. Holy cow. Look at that. Look at that. Dang. Look, you see the side pipe on the side right there. Wow, that's crazy. Another one there. You got a little classic right there. Whoa, boys, look at these two humongous trucks coming in. My goodness. I wonder how much it costs to get all that done. Wow. Look at that. Gold wheels. Got a couple more BMWs. Old school Mustang. Mazda Speed 3, I think, is what that red one is right there. Subaru. Bronco. Check out that Coyote, guys. It's got a big cow hood on it. Black. Alright guys, well, I hope you all enjoyed the video. A lot of cars came out. Awesome. Don't forget to comment, like, and subscribe if you do enjoy the content on the channel. And I'll be bringing y'all as many videos as possible as I can. Alright guys, until the next video, this is the Rogue Vet out. Peace.